So friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am showing if you guys facing this problem, the connection error in your Roblox game, you can watch this video till end because I am showing in this video why this problem is coming and what's the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end and follow these steps to solve this problem in your Roblox. So guys, first step is go to the settings and then apps, and the second step is select applications manager, and the third step is then click on three dots menu. After click on three dots menu, you have to select show system app. After click on show system app, find out Roblox app here. After finding out the Roblox app, you have to click on storage and then click on the clear data button, and after click on clear data, now tap OK and restart your phone. After restarting your phone, you have to open your Roblox app, and after following these steps, if you open your Roblox app is working because this is the working method. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. Thanks for watching.